We have two halves. Two halves. Okay. Now, what we're going to do with this one, we're going to fold it according style. You may have to get somebody to help you. So we're going to go through the whole thing and fold it back and forth. Back and forth. And we'll keep folding it. Okay. Fold it. Fold it. You have to do the whole thing, okay? And then once it's complete, once you finish folding it, it's going to be looking like this. And you're going to put either wire cord or this in the middle. We're going to take the edges, either cut the edges straight or curved or in a slant. So what we're going to do, I'm going to take half of it and I'm going to kind of curve it and then do it again. And flip it. Do the same thing on this side. Okay, come to this side and do the same thing. Okay, and we're going to kind of even it. Keep it even. Kind of squeeze it. And then we just kind of nice flower, a nice pom pom. Okay, and you can take 1 and 2 and put them together and make a full flower pom pom with it. So let's try these and have some fun.